model, 2017 Ford Transit Connect 200 great condition spares or repairs needs a clutch. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 254652. MOT, the 6th of August 2025. Engine, 1499 cc 1.5 TDCI 100 PSS 6F. Transmission, 5-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts great. Runs great. The clutch has failed and will need replacing. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean and presentable. Interior is very clean and has plenty life left in it. Rear load area is very clean and tidy with loads of life left in it. Genuine honest work van which has been well looked after. Features, 1 former keeper, electric windows, air con. EU status, Euro 6. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.